Hey fragrance people, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another video. Today's video we're going to be talking about the house of Etat Libre Orange. This is Remarkable People. I'm going to give you my full review on this fragrance coming right up. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is your scent of the day? My scent of the day is Pure Mall. So, today's video we're going to be talking about the house of Etat Libre Orange, and this is Remarkable People. So, everybody that tuned into the video is a remarkable person overall. I may not know you personally, but I appreciate you watching my channel. So, I'm going to give you my full review on this fragrance right here. So, you can pick up the small bottle for about $42. I picked it up at King of Prussia Mall. I'll leave links below where you can pick it up at. So, Remarkable People, this is the bottle presentation. Great atomizer up top. So, with this fragrance here, it opens up with the blast of champagne, which is amazing because a lot of fragrances I have not smelled to have champagne in it. The scenarios where I see wearing this fragrance, I'm going to pick 3 scenarios. You can wear it every day to work if you want to. Nothing wrong with that. The price point isn't that bad, which I'll jump into in a minute. But I can see wearing this to work, everyday scent, no problem. I can see wearing this a special night going out, like you're going to a party or you're going to a nice event where there's going to be champagne and vodka and just overall a nice atmosphere. I can see wearing this fragrance on the first date, just enjoying life, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's plenty of scenarios you can wear this fragrance at. Just for the price point, you really can't beat it neither. Now I'm going to jump into the price point. You're looking at between $42 to roughly about $150 for the biggest size they have. I'll leave links below where you can pick it up at. If you're not familiar with this fragrance, it's a 2015 release. They have other fragrances from the lineup too, which I have to try eventually. But this fragrance is pretty good overall. I'm going to give you my pros first. Pro number one is pretty much longevity. It's not the best on my skin. I get between 2 to 3 hours of longevity. It isn't the best. The pro I do like about it is projection is pretty good for the first hour to 2 hours. It projects pretty good. People will get whiffs of it. I can see this fragrance being an all year round scent. You can wear it pretty much summer, winter, fall. You really can't go wrong one, even in the spring too. It's great, pleasant fragrance. I haven't got one negative comment, but I have not gotten any compliments with this fragrance at all yet, which is pretty sad. I mean, my girlfriend likes the fragrance and I wear it around her, but she likes it, but I have not got one compliment. I wear it for 5 days straight. Wore it to work at night, I wore it during the day. So pretty much I took a shower during the day, wore it out for a couple hours, no compliments. And I went home, went to sleep, took another shower, went to work at night, got no compliments. So it's one of them fragrances where I didn't get any compliments, but other people have. The reason why I got jumped on this fragrance from the get-go was shout out to Bradley from Triple Ink. Great guy, I enjoy his channel. And Timmy from Imagine Scents, he got me on this fragrance here. So it's a great fragrance. I enjoy it a lot. The price point of $42, really can't beat it. Even if it only lasts an hour or 2 hours of projection, you can reapply it for $42. I really don't have a lot of negative to say about this fragrance. It's just that longevity isn't best on my skin. But some fragrances aren't like that. Can I suggest buying this fragrance? Yeah, I should say check it out. It's a champagne fragrance. It has notes of cardamom, black pepper, labdanum. It has notes of jasmine, has notes of curry. It's overall, it's a great scent. But to my nose, when I initially spray this fragrance, I get the champagne, real blast of that, and I get the cardamom. And towards the end of the dry down, I get the labdanum in it. Towards the dry down, I don't really like the dry down, but I do like the opening. Very, very, very out there, very different. Just something that I've never smelled before. And if you're new to this house, you should definitely give this fragrance a try out. And that's pretty much what I have to say about this video. If you do like fragrance reviews and unboxes and free giveaways, please click the subscribe button. I appreciate that a lot. That's all I ask for. I don't want any money. You guys, appreciate you guys just checking out my channel. And more videos are coming real soon. My next video I'm going to be talking about on my channel next couple of days is going to be Pure Mall, or next review coming up. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, peace.